guys? I just got off work. I am headed home. Well, actually, I'm not headed home. Today we have youth group tonight, so I'm headed straight to the gym, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling kind of tired, kind of lethargic. Fasted cardio this morning really kicked my butt. So yeah, I'm heading to the gym now. I did make sure to bring some C4, some pre-workout to last me, hopefully through my workout and through youth group. But other than that, hey, by the way, blue tongue, amino acids. Oh my goodness, fit girl lives, or fit girl problems. Hashtag, can I talk? Not really. You all have already seen my leg and plyometric day. You also seen arms and abs and my full upper body, my full body routine. I repeat those 3 same exercises twice a week. So, and then on Sundays I do around 45 minutes of cardio, and that's it for Sundays. So because you've seen these workouts already, I'm probably not gonna record the full workout. You might see my gym outfit and stuff. I'm super excited for youth group tonight because we're having a Nerf gun war, and so Ethan and I actually have to go. Ethan's my husband, if you didn't know. Ethan and I actually have to go to the store to get our Nerf guns, and I'm really excited about it. I have major brain fog, and I'm trying to overcompensate by being super peppy, so if I'm annoying, sorry, but I mean, you're the one that's watching this, so you're still watching. Anyways, so yes, I am really excited for youth group tonight because we are having a Nerf gun war, and I'm gonna kick some butt. Actually, I'm probably gonna be really bad at it and get out like that. I'm really competitive. That's probably something that you should know about me. I don't really half-heartedly do anything, so I'm really thinking of wearing war paint or something and just raining down on these kids. This is a church event, youth group, but I'm the only way I can put it is a quote from Waterboy in Captain Insane No Shows No Mercy. I have no mercy. So Jesus has enough mercy for these kids, not me. So they can be prepared to be snuck up on, booby-trapped, guerrilla warfared. That being said, I'm going to wrap this up now. So I will see you at the gym, or maybe not. Who knows? I'm mysterious, and you don't own me. You don't know about my life. So maybe you will, maybe you won't. We'll see. But you will. Maybe. Maybe not. Alright, you guys, I have on Wednesdays we wear pink tank top, some Forever 21 leggings, and my bedazzled brushes that this is the neoprene sleeve I wear for all my cardio sessions. Just Velcro, neoprene. I got it at TJ Maxx for $8. Oops. That's it. What's up, you guys? I just finished my workout. I am pretty beat right now. I'm really hungry and my stomach is growling, so I'm not sure what I want to do. I don't know if I want to eat my dinner now and then go to youth group, or have a snack and then wait until after youth group. Decisions. Either way, I'll probably be eating something as soon as I get home because my stomach is grumbling super bad. I feel pretty fatigued, a little irritable. So yeah, I can't wait to get home and get something to eat and get ready for youth group. Hopefully the next clip you see will be of the Nerf war. So, see you soon. What's up, you guys? We are in Walmart, about ready to pick up some Nerf guns. Super excited, ready to go poon. Some high school and middle schoolers. Nice selection. Nice selection. What do we want?
These suckers are deadly.
Why are they deadly?
Deadly because they don't shoot a lot, but they're super fast and super accurate.
So I can snipe little kids.
Exactly. But there's also the case of volume.
I want the
too.
$40 one. The AccuStrike.
You would show up with that one.
AccuStrike 4000.
Yes.
Well, oh, can I get the ball one? Freaking leave welts.
It's not a bad deal. Get 2 of them.
2 guns for $1?
No.
$1? You got that reference? Comment in the description box below.
You can shoot these ones 90 feet.
90 feet.
That's insane. You don't want to leave wells.
What if I just came in with like a sword? I'm gonna bring a sword to a gunfight. Come at me, bro. That's still going. A laser? I'm getting a laser.
Do I get batteries too?
Yes. Just throw it in the bag.
So what
Which,
ones do you need with that?
I don't know. Does it say on the box? $10.
So
You should get some with the same size.
Yeah, let me try to find one, because these are the bigger ones.
Okay. Need some batteries. Where can we find batteries? Beautiful product placement, Walmart. I applaud you. Alright, babe. I'm ready to go poon some noobs.
Yeah, I'm looking.
Okay.
Yeah.
You want some of this? You don't want it. You don't want it. Come at me, bro! Currently hiding behind the trash can. Alright, you guys, that is going to finish today's video. If you did like the video, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye!